How to fix the issue of product activation failed Microsoft Excel. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly open Microsoft Excel. Click on File at the top left corner. From the menu on your left hand side, go to Help and change the option of Product Key. Simply click on Change Product Key and enter your product key. Click on Continue. After that, you will see this prompt. From this prompt, simply choose the option of I want to activate the software over the internet and click on Next. So that's it. By following this simple step, you will be able to fix the issue with activation problem. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.